How to heal injuries and bleeding. In the apocalypse, a small cut can be just as deadly as a bullet if left untreated. Understanding the difference between raw health and status effects is key to staying upright. This guide will show you how to properly use medkits and bandages to heal your wounds. If you see a droplet icon on your HUD, you are bleeding and losing health over time. You must use a bandage immediately to stop the leak. While dirty rags will stop the bleeding, they carry a high risk of infection. Always try to use sterile bandages or use alcohol on rags before applying them. On PC, you can hold the 4 key to quickly access your medical radial menu and apply a bandage mid-combat. Once the bleeding has stopped, use a medikit to restore your actual health points. Unlike bandages, medikits are several seconds to apply and will slow your movement while in use. Find a safe corner or have a teammate cover you before you start the healing animation. Keep your medikit full and bandages ready. Stay healthy out there. Like and subscribe for more survival health tips.